Go. Is it going dead, Nuni? Try it again. Oh. It just wasn't pushing it. Hi guys, welcome back to the Family Empire channel. This is your Queen Justice behind the camera recording Jawan on his Christmas gift. And I couldn't, well, I could, but I didn't feel like recording on Christmas because I wasn't feeling too good and I wasn't in the mood, so I guess I'll do it now. Where'd you going? That is his other Christmas gift right here, what my dad bought him. He has a scooter. He has a lot of Ryan toys that he has. Nunu, what kind of motorcycle is this? Let's show them. What? Oh, he's driving off. I guess he don't want to show y'all. Why are you trying to rub me over? Look, he think that's funny. Nunu, can we show them what kind of...
It's red.
It's red?
Yeah.
So, he has a BMW before mommy and grandma. So, how you get a BMW before your mom and your grandma? Oh, boy. He has lights, his own 2 sets of keys. Uh-oh. I gotta back it up. So, look, I'm gonna show them. He has music. I guess that's whatever. Then the horn, then the music, then he can go 3 levels. You guys can see him. He can go 3 levels on here. This is backwards, forwards, and then the light on the front light up. And this is, his tag play and stuff for it. Why you turned it off? You need help?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, you got it. See? There you go. Yeah. Ah, he's backing up. What are you doing? So this thing right here, guys, is pretty cool too. This is what my dad got him. And the remote controllers right here. So this is also pretty cool. And then he has like a little scooter in there that's also really pretty good too. And then he also, which I said first time, he also has a lot of Ryan toys. God, I don't know why they keep backing up and... No, why you keep backing up? Oh, oh! I'm telling you, Bob. Just because you got a BMW, that doesn't mean you got to hit his car, nigga. Well, he finna back up because he see his car backing up. He's right there. He's coming. Look how he backing up. Look how he backing up. Look how he backing up. Oh my gosh. The sun is so bright. Nope. How rude. See, guys, he think just because he got a BMW, he can hit everybody's car. Huh? You want that? Guys, he just said he wants some pizza. Oh, no. Go ask Nana. Oh, he's coming. He's backing up. He's backing up, y'all. He's backing up. Watch out, Noonie. You almost threw the back of your car up. I drove in front of his car. Oh, he's trying to hit my car. What is he doing? He keep backing up and backing up and backing up. Huh? What? Why you keep doing it? I don't. No, you can't hit my car. So guys, he's trying to hit my car. That's why he's stuck trying to hit my car. Look, that's why he ran out of gas. Trying to hit my car. Heh. Huh? Your shoes dirty? Okay.